Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are taking up a very interesting shloka from the beginning shlokas, the Parana shlokas of Ramayana, Srimad Valmiki Ramayana. This is called as Vishnu Pada Pravesha Stotra. What is that? Vishnu Pada Pravesha Stotra. This is composed in 19 lettered 4 lines. Shabdur Vikrit, the Chandas, brilliant, fantastic poetry we can enjoy here. So, as usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. It is very interesting shloka. So, those who are interested, please take snapshot and mug up and start reciting this every morning and evening during Sandhya Kala, and you can reap wonderful good benefits for a joyous and happy life. That is it. Those who already know, well and good. Those who don't know, please take snapshot and mug up. I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Here in this video, we will just examine the chandas and enjoy the flowing poetry, melody and devotion. In the next upcoming video, I will give you the verbatim meanings of this shloka for those interested. You can enjoy that also. So here I go. Vishnu Pada Pravesha Stotra. यत्कर्णाञ्जलसम्पुटैरहरः सम्यक् पिबत्यादरात् वाल्मीकेर्वदनारविन्दगलितं रामायणाख्यं मधु जन्मव्याधिजरा विपत्तिमरणैरत्यन्तसोपद्रवम् संसारं स विहाय गच्छति पुमान् Vishnu Padam Shashvatam. So how to enter Vaikuntha Loka, that is Vishnoha Padam, the Vaikuntha Loka, the abode of Lord Sri Mahavishnu, how to enter this. That is what is described in this wonderful, amazing shloka, fantastic, brilliant poetry. So verbatim meanings I will give you in the next upcoming video. Here just we will examine the chandas. I told you this is composed in Shabdula Kirita, 19 lettered 4 lines poem. We will just take up the first line now. Yat karnanjala samputairaharaha samyak pibatyadarat. That is the first line. So we break this pattern into 3 into 6 pattern and one guru, that is which appears in the Shabdula pattern. Every line has one guru in the last. So the last letter will be one guru in the Shabdula pattern. So beginning patterns are Masa, Jasa, double T and one guru. That is the Shabdula pattern. Just we'll have a recall for those who don't know. Masa, Jasa, double T and one guru. Those who are still not getting me, please catch me direct on 876230815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. I am taking special coaching classes on wonderful and amazing devotional stotras, Sanskrit poetry and poetic meters, etc. That is it. Coming back, we are just checking the poetic meter, examining the poetic meter of this Vishnu Pada Stotra, Vishnu Pada Pravesha Stotra. That is it. Yat Karnanjala Samputairahara Samyak Pivatyadarat. That is the first line we have taken up. So Yat Karnam, here is getting as 111, that is Ma. And then Jalisam, we are getting as 001, that is Sa. Putaira, we are getting as 010, that is Ja. And then Harahaha, we are getting as 001, that is Sa. So Masa, Jasa, we got in order. So moving on, Samyak Pibatyadarat, Samyak P, we are getting as 110, that is T1. So moving on, Bhatyada, we are getting as T2, that is 110 again. Then Ra is the final guru and the final one in this Shabdula pattern. So fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? You can enjoy brilliant poetry. Likewise, you can check each other lines, the second, third and fourth lines, second, third and fourth padams. It will be exactly 19 lettered, 4 lines, yielding as Masa, Jasa, double T and one guru pattern all along. That is it. So we'll just examine, we'll just recite and enjoy the flowing, brilliant poetry, melody and devotion again, and then wrap up this video. As I told you, verbatim meanings I will give you in the upcoming video. Here I go again. Vishnu Pada Pravesha Stotra, extract from Ramayana Parana shlokas. So here I go again. यः कर्णाञ्जनसम्पुटैरहरः सम्यक् पिबत्यादरात् वाल्मीकेर्वदनारविन्दगलितं रामायणाख्यं मधु जन्मव्याधिजराविपत्तिमरणैरत्यन्तसोपद्रवम् संसारं स विहाय गच्छति पुमान् विष्णोः पदं शाश्वतम्. Brilliant, flowing, wonderful poetry describing how we can achieve Vaikuntha Lokha. It is a highly difficult task. Anyway, we can at least attempt this in this life. So that is it. In the next upcoming video, we will take up the automatic meanings of this wonderful stotra and other stotras also will follow suit in my upcoming videos. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762000915. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.